Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reduce noise in CapCut, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the app. Now you have to select one of your projects, or if you want to start a new one, click on that plus icon, and now you have to select from your gallery that video that you would like to edit. I'm going to use this one, and now you have to click on the sound section, and you can see on the bottom of the screen this pop-up menu, and scroll a little bit and you can see the reduce noise option. Click on it, and you have to turn this option on in order to reduce the noise. Then you have to click on the check mark and you will be all set. So this is for this video. I hope that it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.